All right, we're back in the garage. We're gonna be taking apart this track bar. I believe it's called stabilization bar, rear bar. Goes from here to the other side with bushings in it. Replacing it with this Moog unit. It's a Moog bar. It will be linked in the description, but the part number is Moog K7163. It's a Moog unit. Nice solid looking bushings. We're gonna try to take this off without any issues. Already been soaking in PB Blaster overnight. We're gonna apply some heat to it. See if we can loosen it up a little bit more. And then we're gonna try to take it off and replace it real quick. All right, so we loosened it. It's an 18 millimeter for this first one. We're gonna leave the nut on it, and then we're gonna hammer it out. We gotta take that stud out because it's not a bolt, it's a stud type of deal. We have to take it out so we can drop the bar and replace it. All right, so we debolted this other side. This other nut is right here. It's been lubed up and heated up with MAP gas. We're gonna pull this out, drop this bar, and put the new one in. All right, so we got the new bar hanging in by the bolt, but it's not all the way through yet. You wanna do one side at a time, preferably the passenger side first, because we have to get this nut back on there before you push it all the way through. We're gonna do that right now. So once you get that nut started on that bolt, we can swap it out, swap it around, swap it up, move it straight up to this side. Then we line it up, get the nut and bolt ready. I'll line it up and feed it through there, and then we tighten up both sides. All right, we got both sides in. About to tighten them down. One side took a little bit more massaging than the other, but we got a new stabilization bar, track bar, whatever it is called, brand new bushings in it. Time to tighten it down. Boom, all done. That rear bar all tightened down. Brand new Moog. One more piece done for the Daytona.